Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and for this video, I will show you how to install Unity. First of all, go to your browser and search for Unity. Now, the first link of the first site that comes is the one. It will take you to the official site of Unity. Here, you will see the download button right there. So at the top right, you will see this plans and pricing. So it will take you to this page where you can download different trials of Unity. You can try Unity Pro or Enterprise, Educator, anything. You just need to be sure about what you need. After that, you just need to click on download now and click on download. So it will start downloading your exe file. So after your exe file has been installed, just go and click on that. Now you just need to accept this agreement. Just click on I agree and select a file location and click on install. So it will start installing the Unity application in your PC. Just wait until it finishes. Now, after it has finished, just click on finish and it will just finish the installation. After that, I will be needing an account. I don't have an account, so I will click on create account. It will open a new tab in my browser. There are several things I need to fill up. I'll just fill it up quickly. So you can either do it with these account or you can try with your Facebook, Google, and your Apple ID. So after you're done, you need to accept the agreement. After you're done, you need to verify that you're not a robot and click on the green button that says create a Unity ID. After that, it will ask you to confirm your email. You just need to go to your Gmail and check for the exact email that looks like this. So just click on link to confirm, verify that you're not a robot, and now you will need to log into your Unity account. So after that, click on sign in and you are good to go. So after you're done, you'll be taken to this page. So you'll see all your account settings. You just need to click on continue here and you're done, basically done here. Now go back to your app and click on sign in. Click on OK and it will automatically sign in your Unity account. Click on open Unity Hub. So as you can see, it's automatically signing in. Now for this, you will be needing to install Unity Editor, an addition application, and it requires 7.23 GBs. Make sure that you have these available space. For that, you need to click on install Unity Editor and now you need to agree. So here, if you have a different version of your Unity, then you can also change the Unity editor. So after your installation has been complete, you can now go to projects and create a new project and click on this new project button at the top right corner, and now you can create projects in your Unity Hub account. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.